exercise 1.1. Okay, so fill in the blank. Minus 19 by 5 lies between the integer dash and dash. Okay, but we don't know, right? So it's representing negative sign. Obviously that should be the negative number. So I don't know which number in between it lies. So I'm having 19 minus 5, right? So I can write finally for minus. So 19. So in 5 table, how many times it move? In 5 table it move 3 times for 15. So balance I am getting how much? 9 minus 4, sorry 5, 4. So point and 0. Adding this 0. So how many times? 40 for my 8 times. So 3.8. So 3 point means 3 to 4 in between. 3 to 4 means, but I am having a negative sign. So obviously, so negative 3 to negative 4 in between this number is lies. So I can write minus 4 and minus 3. Okay, minus 19 by 5 lies between the integer minus 4 and minus 3, because minus 4 the least value comparatively this. That's why I'm writing minus 4 to minus 3 from the left to right. Okay, the rational number that is representing by 0.44 is, so we already know. So 1 means that by 1, 2 means that also divided by 1 by using that process. What they mentioned, the rational number in the form P by Q form. So 0.44 by I am having 1. So I am going to remove this decimal form. So 1, 2 point, right? So I can multiply 100 on numerator as well as the denominator. We already learned in your 7th standard. So if I am multiplying with 100 for 44 means I am getting 44 by 100. But what they asking, rational number that representing by the decimal. So the rational number is P by Q form, right? So I am multiplying this with 44 by 100. I am cancelling this. So in 2 table I can cancel 2 and 2. In 100 for how many times? So 10 for 5, then 0. So again I can cancel 22 for 11 times, 50 for my the balance one, so 25 times. So 11 by 25 is my rational number. Okay, P by Q form. The standard form of 58 by 78. So nothing but now we already know. Normally we can write 1 by 2. So I can write 1 by minus 1 by 2 alone. In the 7th standard also we write this minus sign is directly moved to the numerator also. So normally the minus should be represented the numerator. That's only they mention. This is a standard form. If they mention the denominator of the minus also, I can move to the numerator. So minus 58 by 78, that is a standard form. The value of minus 15 by 23 divided, I already mentioned in last class, right? So what I did, the division method, if I am having these two means 7 by 18 division. So this numerator is moved to the denominator moves to the numerator. Last class we learned, right? By using that, so minus 15 by 23. So what they mention, I already told. So cross multiply, like cross multiply I am getting. So 30 is moved to, this is my numerator, so move to the denominator move to the numerator. So multiplication, that turn to the multiplication, minus 46 by 30. Maybe it can be cancelled, right? In 23 table, so 2 times 23 into 2, 206, 46, right? So 23 table I am getting how much? Minus 2. In 30 table, 15 into 2 times, how many I am getting? 30. So 15 2s are, so minus 2. So finally I am getting minus 2 into minus 2. Denominator is my 1. So I don't need to consider that. So minus 2 into minus plus 2 2s are 4. So my answer is positive 4. Okay. Then in this place the addition. So in addition, first of all what we do, denominator should be equal. So I am taking my denominator 12 and 15, taking LCM. First should move to the 3 table. So 3 table, 12 for how many time? 4 times, 15 for 5 times. Then move to the 4 table. So 1 time, 5 is not going. So 5. So 5, 1 comma 1. So I am having 3 into 4 into 5. So 3 2s are. So I am getting this part is at 12. Okay, so if my having my denominator is 12, so minus 5 by 12 plus 7 by 15, my LCM is this, ma. Okay, my LCM is this. I am having a 3 into 4 my 12, so I can neglect this. So balance is 5. I multiply with the numerator and denominator. I am getting my denominator is the same in this place. So 15. So 3 into 5, I am getting 15. So balance I am having a 4. So multiplying 4 and 4, numerator as well as the denominator. So 12 5s are how much? 60. Denominator is 60. That's it. Are you clear? Because I am adding a 12 directly in this place. So balance is 5. So I am multiplying numerator and denominator 5. I am getting 60 for denominator. Okay, that's the LCM, right? You are going to equalize your denominator. So the same process. I am having a denominator in this place 15. So 3 5s are 15. So I am neglecting 3 and 5. So balance I am getting 4. So I am multiplying 4 numerator as well denominator I am getting 60. So totally minus 5 into 5 minus 25 by 60 plus 7 4s are how much? 28 by 60. So we already know this is a denominator same, means I can write like this. So minus 25 plus 28. So subtracting 28 minus 25 means how many times? 3 by 60. So which one is the greatest symbol? 28 is a positive, so I am having a positive symbol. So I can cancel by using a 3 table. So for 1 time, this is for my 20. So 1 by 20 is my answer. Okay.